Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tech Talk with Sue. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery. And in this Tech Talk, as usual, we're going to talk about something that will help you with your embroidery. And what I have here is a really cool Epson printer. Now it's Epson, the model I have is E2550. There's 3 levels of it. There's small, medium, and large. And what's the difference on it? Well, this printer doesn't have cartridges. It has filling areas, and I'm going to show you guys about this. It's also a scanner and a copier and all that kind of stuff. It is also a Wi-Fi printer, so it's a network printer, so you do not have to have it plugged into your machine. You don't even have to have it anywhere near your computer. You just have to have it on the same Wi-Fi network to use it, and it works really well. If you don't want to mess with all that, then you can just go ahead and plug it into your computer. But look, scan, it does everything. Now obviously I don't have it on right here, but there's quite a few things. But the best part about this printer is the ink. Now, you guys know that cartridges, especially the color ones, are really expensive. Now, this printer costs a little bit more, but if you look, let me open it, this is the best part about it. So it's an ink well instead of a cartridge. And all you have to do is just open this up and fill it with the color. This is what you buy. This is what you buy. And I put gloves on to do it. But this is how you do it. And you just pour it in there. When it gets low, you can see the levels here. And of course, your computer will tell you. You just fill it up. And the cartridges are expensive. These bottles are not. It's actually really cheap. You guys will be surprised. So that allows you to not worry about spending too much money on cartridges. And this is what I do. I print out everything. This is my Creative Kiwi book, but you get full color pictures, which I think makes the difference. You can do it for all your instructions. You see I have them all separated here, but full color pictures, and you don't have to worry about how much it costs you. So I thought this was a really good Tech Talk with Sue. I find it really helpful because I can print out color templates, I can print out all of my instructions in color, and I don't have to worry about the cost. And like I said, it's really easy to fill. Now I have an Epson one. We got this one years ago, and I've been using it, and I still haven't gone through that much ink. It's pretty incredible that I haven't gone through that much ink. I print literally everything I want to. The other thing is, for photographs, you can print pictures and not worry about using up the ink. So I think in a cartridge, it has a very small amount. I know you can refill the cartridges. They don't always work. I just think this is the easiest way to do it. Now you can get the different sizes is going to refer to the ink wells. So the bigger one holds more ink. And that's all it is. We went for the medium one because we thought it would last longer. But yeah, all you have to do is buy this ink. Now, there may be other brands out there that do this now. I'm not really sure. I've been really happy with my Epson, so I just kept it. So give yourself the freedom of printing everything that you want, printing your templates, printing your instructions, and do it like I do and not worry about money. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys really like this quick tip. It's super helpful for embroidery. Believe it or not, a printer makes all the difference. And I'll see you guys in the next video.